home side. Aggressive, what's up, big dogs? We're doing a repair test the right way. You see these other attempts. I don't even know what to say about those. I ain't even gonna say anything. Anyways, right, I do this. I wake up and I do this. We're gonna be undoing, or I think I paid for 36 on the back slope. This is one of them. We're about to do that. To do that, I do have to unseal the rows above it, right? 2 rows above it that touch those shingles, which would include this shingle, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, right? And my unseal is one on the bottom. So let's go ahead and get to it. I'm gonna use this to unseal it because it's not as wide as my roof snake, which I like to get nails out with, right? And I like to put the nails back. So I'm gonna use this. Gives us a better chance of creating less damage. Go ahead and unseal it pretty easily. Some of these are already loose. A little bit, it looks like. I like hearing that popping noise whenever you unseal it. Jordan did bring a black shingle, not a driftwood shingle, so. Did I unseal these? Alright, so let's get started. I'm gonna have to do some maneuvering, right? I tried to get on a part of the roof that was really dry. I'm gonna barely lift this up. Jordan, that's not more than a 45-degree angle, right?
Right.
Alright, now I'm gonna drop it down. I'm gonna get my nail out. Got my nail out. Number 2. Down my nail. Got my nail out. I ain't even lifting the shingle up. I'm barely lifting it up. This one did tear through a little bit, I think. No hands. Oh, it's looking good. I'm barely lifting that shingle. So I got the other one, so I should be one right here. I can just hear the grains coming off the roof already. Alright, so I got those. Good thing is, this is a shingle. Well, actually, that don't matter. That shingle right there is taking a little damage. Should be it. Maybe not. What did I miss one? Or 2. Alright.
That one hiding.
There ain't no way that's up there. Maybe the, oh, Let's see what this shingle is. Let's see what was causing it. I'm gonna take these nails out just to prove I put it back. It's okay. So, yeah, that's why I made enough nails in that thing. That thing wasn't going nowhere. Oh, broke. Alright. So let's get the exposure right. That is straight. Pretty solid, and we're gonna put our 6 nails back. Extra. I can already tell that one. If you want to show it before I even mess with it, right here or come over. I don't know how. You just kind of see on this one, man. There's already a little damage. It's hard to tell the other ones at the moment. Can you see it? Right up here. See it? Yeah. Cool. All right. Step back a little bit, brother. Get out my fire zone. I'll have to check on those two.
You hear the granules falling off?
Yeah, you can hear them. Pretty loud.
No.
Whole time, dude. That roof snake just caused damage right there. Hold your phone. Still recording, right? Oh, all right, y'all. Let's check these out. You see there? So you can actually, I'll get close. You see the kind of a crease right there? Looks like something going on. Right there is my mark from the roof snake. So let's barely wipe this. You see the grains coming off? Slight crease right there, right? And you see it right there. Kind of running across. I'll mark right there toward the shingle. That's a failed crease. This one, not a whole lot. There's a mark right there though. Lost some grains, right? That could have, I mean, just that alone could have busted a fiberglass mat. You never know. This one took a lot of damage. This one looks the worst to me, I think. You see that right there? And then you see it, right? You see it before I even wipe it. You barely wipe it. I mean, look at that. You see that crease? You see it. Yep. Failed. This one, not really a whole lot. A little mark right there, but that's it. Sorry, y'all. This one right here, not really a whole lot right there. This one, I don't know if you see that, but I do see something line up there, right? So I'm gonna barely wipe it. Show you. Okay, there's the crease. You see it. You see it right there running. That failed. And then last, yeah, not a whole lot right there. So I got one, we'll consider that a fail. That one failed, that one. So fail. Yeah, we got some good after pictures, but as you see, just so everybody's clarifying the video. I know there's some shade. Hold on, let me do this. Can you stand right here? Yep, you got me? Let's do this, let's get some shade on. You get shade, yeah. You see it, you see the crease. All right, you see the crease. You see it, just wanted y'all to see those creases. All right, y'all, thank you.